If you have experienced gritty beard balm, this video is for you, and it's going to break down a very easy way to fix that issue. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded, and I'm coming to you from the Volt Lifeproof Grooming's YouTube channel. And if you guys could, do us a favor, split second, hit that thumbs up, and consider subscribing. There's some amazing content creators on this channel that I think you guys will dig the vibes. All right, let's go over real quickly what it is and then how to fix it. So gritty beard balm happens in the shipping process. This product leaves the Volt facility absolutely immaculate, smooth as ever, gonna be perfect for you. But along the way, it's in a hot shipping truck. It is going several days across the country, across the world, and it melts down to a liquid. Now that's not an issue. It doesn't hurt the product, doesn't affect it whatsoever. Where the slight issue or inconvenience comes in is when it solidifies and cools again slowly. Whether it was in a warm truck and then it hasn't melted and then the truck cools a bit, or it gets to your house and it's sitting on the counter at room temperature and it cools a bit. Well, there's a bunch of different ingredients in here and they all solidify at different temperatures. And so if it's going slowly, some of those ingredients are going to solidify while some are still liquid. And this can cause them to kind of group together and give you that little bit of gritty texture to it. It's nothing that's bad. Most people don't mind it or even really notice it whatsoever, but there are some people that it's just a pet peeve of theirs. Well, luckily, it's a very simple fix. All we need to do is melt down this balm product and then get it back in here and cool it quickly. Now, this is metal. This is a tin. You do not want to put this in the microwave. You do not want to put this in the oven. Essentially, my recommendation to you guys is the best of your ability, remove the product from the tin, put it in something like a glass Pyrex and melt it down entirely. Once it's melted down in that Pyrex, pour it back into the tin, take the top off, and then you're gonna want to cool this. You're gonna want to cool it in a freezer, which is preferred, or a fridge. Either way will get it done. Let it sit there for an hour or two. That's probably more than needed, but it doesn't hurt it. Once it's solidified again, go ahead and take the top, put it back on, and now you can just leave it at room temperature and you're good to go. It should be smoother than ever. This is not really an issue with Volt's balm, but it can happen. Any natural product, any butter, any oil product that's kind of mixed together like this, the shipping can cause those issues. But again, guys, very, very, very simple to fix, but please do not put this in a microwave. I hope we don't have to say that again, but I know some people are like, no, don't do it. So if you guys have any additional questions, if you have any experiences with this situation, leave a comment down below. We appreciate you guys watching today. Go out, go do something with that beautiful beard of yours. Thank you guys.